Today, we are going to be doing an eye exam, okay? So look over here, right here at my hand. Okay, don't look at the light. And I want you to just follow my hand up and down, okay? Seems like you're doing pretty good. All right, now I'm gonna move my hand and the light. Just keep looking at my hand. I just want to see how your eyes are reacting. Okay, good job. Look over here at this hand. Same thing. Okay. Follow it up. Follow it down. Follow it up. Follow it down. Okay. I want you to look at this hand. We're going to do the same thing. Okay. Okay, we're going to switch back. Do that again, but just with the other side. Okay. 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 Great job. But I'm so sorry. What was your name? First name ASMR, last name Listener. Whew, that is that's quite the name. But I'll write it down. Okay. And you said your age. Okay, unknown. So that's very interesting. Could be a synth. And your favorite color. You don't know. Good. That was a test. Okay. Now I want you to follow this. I want you to follow this eye mask. I want you to follow it all the way to you, okay? So just follow it, and when it hits your eyes, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Keep them closed, keep them closed. Peek at me, hello? Close them. Peek at me, hello? And close them. Peek at me. Follow me. Follow me. Over here, and close them. And get ready for some light. Open, look at my nose. Don't look anywhere else. Okay. 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 Okay, we're going to introduce another light. Keep looking at my nose. I want to see if you can stand this amount of stimuli. Okay. It's a bit brighter, I know. A bit different, too. Just keep looking where my nose is, even if you can't see my nose. Just look right where it was, okay? I know this is very bright. Okay, we're going to push them into the corners. Keep looking at my nose. We're going to go down, up. I'm going to switch them. Okay, switch them. A little closer to my nose now. We're going to rotate around, rotate back, turning them off. Okay, good job. We're going to give you a bit of a rest. Follow this all the way to your eyes and close them. Keep them closed. Peek at me. Close. Keep them closed and open them in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And open them. Hello. Okay. I'm going to write down your scores for some of those tests. We have a 9 out of 10. Good job. We have an 8 out of 10. And we have a 7.5 out of 10. So far, you're doing really good. Yeah, you're doing incredible, actually. So there's really nothing to, I think that's a 24.5 out of 30. I think so. Hopefully I got that right. But if I didn't, it's not because I'm not a real doctor, okay? But yeah, so far, you're doing really good. I'm actually very impressed. Now we're going to do some true peripheral light triggers, okay? What we're going to do is you're going to look right at my nose, and I'm going to kind of scan my face like this, okay? And you're going to see gradients of light actually go over my face. First, we're going to do it with a little light in the room already, okay? So just keep looking at my nose. Just keep looking right at my nose. And then in a bit here, I'm going to turn that light off, and we're going to do some to test a higher contrast for you, all right? Okay, the word contrast is a word you don't like. Okay, that is something I need to know. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna keep doing it, so just keep looking at my nose. And you can blink whenever you want, okay? You can blink whenever you want right now. So just blink normally, naturally. Just look right at my nose. Look right at my nose. Very easy. Very, very easy. Not bad at all. Okay. 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 All right. I want you to look at this mask. I want you to follow it into your eyes. And I want you to close your eyes. Keep them closed. Keep those eyes closed because I'm turning off the light. Okay. Open your eyes. I want you to guess which one has light in it, which one has the batteries, and which one doesn't. Okay. Guess. And I'm going to click this one first. Psych. I clicked that one first. Did you get it right? Did you not? This is going to be the blink machine. All right. So while I'm doing this, you're looking at my nose. I'm going to tell you to blink. Okay. Blink. I'm not going to say blink every time. Blink. Blink. But when I click this thing, I want you to blink. Okay. So just look at my nose. Look at my nose. And good job. You're doing a very good job. Okay. Now we need you to just follow this light. But actually, before you do that, let's give you a little break, okay? Follow this and close your eyes. Keep them closed for a while. I'm gonna write down some stuff while your eyes are closed. Okay? Just kind of writing down how good you are doing. Okay, yeah. I'm really impressed with how you're doing. You're probably the best patient I've had. What's your name again? ASMR listener. Yeah, that's a really beautiful name. What nationality is that? You don't know. Okay. Well, we're not, I guess it doesn't really matter, right? But I am curious. Listener is the last name. ASMR almost makes me think perhaps you're a synth, but you're not reacting like one, so I'm gonna go ahead and say you're not a synth. Just write down a few more things while your eyes are closed. Okay. Just a couple more things. Just some details of what I'm seeing. Everything's looking great, by the way. Just gonna write down some numbers. Okay. I think it's time for you to open your eyes, okay? And follow this light. Follow this light. Follow it all around, okay? Follow this light all around. Not too difficult, not too bad. Follow it all around. Up here, down here, to the left here, up here. Good job. Good job. Doing a little spiral now. Coming a little closer. I know it's intense. It's just part of test. Okay. Just gonna go all around this. Okay. It's gonna be kind of everywhere up close. Just to really get a feel for what your eyes are doing, okay? Good job. Good job, okay. Blink, blink, blink. Okay. Keep following it. Now don't look at this light. Only look at the other light, okay? Look at this bluer light. Do not look at this light. Okay, so just ignore the other one. Now switch. Switch lights. Switch lights and follow it. Follow this one across the screen, okay? Okay, don't follow the other one. Follow the white light, not the blue light, okay? Follow the white light, not the blue light. Now follow the blue light. Follow the blue light. Don't look anywhere else. Just look right at the blue light, okay? Right at the blue light, okay? Good job. Good job. Okay. Okay. And look at my nose. Look at my nose. I get some interesting angles of these lights while you look right at my nose. Okay? Look right at my nose. Look right at my nose, okay? Don't look at anywhere else. Okay, good job. Let's give you a bit of a rest, all right? I want you to look at this eye mask. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, and it's over your eyes. Gonna write down a couple more things. Whoa, just broke the lead. I'm so excited to write about you and how good you're doing. Okay. Wow. Yeah, no, that was brilliant, really. Very impressed. Very impressed. Okay. All right. A couple more things I gotta write down. I'm not drawing pictures. What are you talking about? No. No. What? How could you think that? Clearly, I have lots of important things to write. I'm not drawing like a portrait of you or anything like that. How could I? No. All right, you want to see what I've been writing? It's a portrait of you, and you're smiling because you're doing so good on the test. You should be happy about that. Okay, should we try like as many lights at once as we can? Should we try that to end this? Maybe. Let's see. Okay, that's turning on. It's a little unreliable, but it is turning on. We got these two guys. We got this guy. Wow, you're gonna like see all the light like that first, and then I'm gonna point it all at you. Oh, wrong one. Blink. Good job. Okay. I'm going to point all these lights at you, and I just want to see how you deal with a bunch of light. But we're gonna have a little anticipatory going on because you can tell there's a bunch of light in the future, but you can't quite tell if I'm gonna actually unleash it quite yet. Okay, I want you to blink. I want you to blink. I want you to blink. Good job. Oh, 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 and here is that light. You can look wherever you want, honestly. This is enough light where it doesn't really matter. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Does not matter. Okay. That one didn't work. That's not satisfying, but That's okay. It's barely doing anything. Okay, good job. 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 Okay, now just look at me. Look how much light is on me. I look nuts right now. Okay, look at my nose. We're gonna turn that light off. Keep looking at my nose. That light off, and that light off. And then finally, we are going to cover your eyes. Okay? And I want you to open them in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello. And I'm gonna write one last thing about you. Okay. Patient named ASMR listener is in good health, eye wise, and is much appreciated. Now they must sleep. Good night. I hope you sleep very well.